this video, I will show you the first program that were mostly introduced when you're learning a new programming language, the most iconic Hello World, and we will do it in Java. Reminder, you can run your Java program if you already installed the Java JDK and set the path. So if you haven't do that, please find my video on how to install and set the environment variables in Java. So you also need an editor. So in your Windows, you can use the Notepad or you can download an IDE for Java like NetBeans. There's one. NetBeans IDE or Eclipse. So this IDE are open source and free, and I will post the link in the description below. So in this video, we will be using Notepad as our editor. So first, let's open our Notepad or any editor of your choice. And let's add the following code. Public class, my first Java program, curly brace. So the class keyword is used to declare a class in Java, while the public keyword, this is an access modifier that represents visibility. So it means it is visible to all. So the curly brace marks the beginning of a block of code. So you must remember also that Java is case sensitive. So for your class name, it should always start, or the first letter should be in uppercase. So if you use several words to form your class names, each inner words should be, or each inner word's first letter should be in uppercase. So my class name consists of 4 words. As you can see, each inner word is in uppercase. So your class name should not include any space in it. Next, that we will add this is my first Java program. This will print hello world. So this one is called a comment. Java also supports single line and multi-line comments, and the compiler totally ignores it. So some are not fan of inserting comments in their program, but this can be very helpful. So you can add a note if what is that program all about. Next, that we will add public static void main string arch, open curly brace, system that out dot print ln hello world, close semicolon, close curly brace, and another curly brace. So the word hello world is enclosed in double quotes, which means it is a string. So the Java program processing starts from the main method, which is mandatory part of every Java program. So string arch is used for, this one is used for command line argument. So system.out that println is used to print statement. So here, system is a class, out is the object of print stream class, and println is the method of print stream class. You must also remember that each code statement must end with a semicolon. All your code statement in Java must end with a semicolon. So next is we will save the file as my first Java program. .java. Remember that name of the program file should exactly match the class name. So when saving the file, you should save it using the class name. So since our class name is my first Java program, so that should be our file name also. And append or add that Java to the end of the name, because if the file name and the class name do not match, your program will not compile. Plus, please make note that in case you do not have a public class present in the file, then file name can be different than class name. It is also not mandatory to have a public class in the file. So since our class name is my first Java program, we will save our file as my first Java program .java. Save. It's okay, so let's open the command prompt window. Simply type cmd on your search bar and proceed to the directory where you save your class. So since I save it in desktop, I will type the command cd desktop. CD is for change directory. It means that I change my directory to desktop and press enter. So next is we will type the command javac, my first Java program .java, and press enter to compile your code. So if there are no errors in your code, the CMD or the command prompt will take you to the next line. So this only means that our program is good to go. So to run the program, we will use the Java, my first Java program. Omit the C as well as the .java and press enter. And there it is. Hello world will be printed or displayed in the window. Hello world. Alright, so hope you learned something from this video. Please do subscribe to stay updated. So happy coding everyone!